Hey guys, it's Alicia, and this video is to share with you the products that I use on my natural hair. All right. So for my shampoo, I use Herbal Essence. It's the Deep Moisture Hello Hydration. And I only shampoo once a month, if that. For my conditioner, I also use Herbal Essence, the Deep Moisture Hello Hydration Conditioner. I use this for my co-washes, and I also use it for a leave-in when I do my wash and goes. I also use extra virgin olive oil. This brand is HEB Organics. I don't have a particular brand that I like to use. This is just the one that I happen to pick up. As long as it is extra virgin olive oil, I'm perfectly fine. I use this for my deep conditioning and my oil rinse. I also use Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. I use this for my leave-in when I'm doing bunning, twist outs, braid outs, and also my mini twist. This is a newer product that I've been using by Cantu Shea Butter. This is basically an edge control. I don't like my edges to be too slick, but just to clean up my style a little bit. Because I like to wear my hair in a more afro type style. This is what I use for my edges. I know, so it's not a lot of products. Since the beginning of my journey, that's always been a thing for me, is not having too many products. Because products, they are important, don't get me wrong, but it's how you utilize them that's really key. My products are not all natural. It's going to depend upon your hair. You know what works for you. Like I always say, this is not a one size fits all. Everyone's hair is completely different. So find what works for you. If it's all natural, that's great. If it's not, then stick to those products if it's working. And another great thing about the products that I use is they're not expensive. So, I mean, that's perfect. A lot of these products are getting really expensive, and I mean, it's not an issue if it works, but you know, my hair requires a good amount of product, so I can't imagine spending, you know, $30 on one container of leave-in conditioner. All right, so if you have any questions about the products that I use, how I utilize them, number one, I will be doing a video to show you how I use each product in my actual hair routine video. So where I show you how I shampoo, condition, deep condition. I'm going to do some updated videos for you guys because the videos on the channel are really old and a mess, but that's fine. Good information. Yeah. So leave your comments down below, like the video, share it. Thank you guys so much for your support. This channel is nothing without you.
I'm just good